Tiger nut rice, these are the ingredients for it: the tiger nut water, green beans, carrot, and some scent leaf. So after this, you do your tomato mix, pour in your tiger water. After this, you put in your well washed basmati rice. After turning, then you cover, allow it to cook for like 10 minutes. Then put in your scent leaf, put in your carrots, then put in your green beans as well. Equally turn, allow it to cook for like a minute or two. Your tiger nut rice is ready. Stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching. Do well to subscribe and like and comment.